Hey boys and girls, we have the new SUPERPOW car jump starter power station. Have you ever been out in the woods, Walmart, battery dies in your car, cell phone, tablet dies, kids are upset? We're going to do a review of it. Alright guys, well, let's open it up. I did pre-charge this unit. This is your power supply. It's got two USB ports. It's got an on and off button. It's got an input. Here's your power button for your charging system, so if you want to jump start your car. Our unit is at 99%. Your charger to charge the unit. It does come with a mini USB charger for your tablets, Android phones, Kindles. You can use Apple iPhone chargers. It will power them. The unit is 800 amps. The specs say it will charge a diesel and a gas truck, RVs, boats, tractors, motorcycles, lawnmowers. I mean, I know there's been many times that I've been personally out, at your local gas station, or, battery dies. You're always looking around for someone to jumpstart you. Well, this unit will do it. It's very inexpensive. We'll show you the features of it. It comes with your little battery cable clamps. Clamp it in on the side. Hold it on for 30 seconds. They say they'll do big motors, up to a 6.2 diesel. It's a pretty big motor. Just plug them in, turn your unit on. You hook it up to your battery. Red goes to red, black goes to black. You can charge your cell phones. Just put it in your USB port. It's got a quick charge feature for your cell phones, tablets. I mean, I know many times we've been in the store and son screaming in the back seat that his iPad's dead or his Kindle's dead. It'll be a lifesaver. It's got also you can charge it in your vehicle. It's got a charging port so you can charge it in your car so if it's dead. It's got a flashlight. You've got to hold the power button. 3 seconds, flashlight turns on. It strobes, so if you're on the road at dark time, it lets people see you. And another thing I want to say about the unit is the SUPERPOW. There's other manufacturers out here. They say this unit will charge 2 times faster than 90% of the power supplies out there, which is nice, especially if you're out camping, no power. And another thing I wanted to mention, I totally forgot about, is charging your battery. There's people out there that will put positive negatives on the wrong side. This unit actually has a short circuit protection in it. It's got an overload protector. It does over voltage. The clamps are alligator clamps, so they have some strength. I was actually looking at this unit. It's rugged. It's got your bump guards. You could drop, if you drop it. I don't recommend it, but you can drop it. It's well built. Very small. Won't take much room up in your vehicle either. That's another nice thing. We'll give you some closer views to the unit. You got your engine start here where you put your jumper cables. You have your flashlight. You turn around, you have your on and off power button. You got your USB ports, your power button for your battery jump start. It's got an LED screen, very clear to read. It shows you your battery voltage. It'll show you your voltage of your vehicle. Like if your battery's dead, it'll show you all that. It's a pretty nice unit. Thank you, boys and girls. This is the ending to the review of the SUPERPOW car jump starter power station. If you liked our reviews, I'd appreciate if you would like and subscribe to our page. Thank you, and you guys have a great day.